The AirPulse scans a list of repeaters. When it finds activity, it reports it up to the gray line fabric, thereby lighting up that repeater for all to see. There is also an antenna mode that lets you move your antenna around to find the best possible reception. So let's unbox our AirPulse and boot it up for the first time. Disconnect from your Wi-Fi. Your AirPulse device will stand up its own local Wi-Fi. When you see it, go ahead and connect to it. Once connected, it will open up a browser tab and list all of the Wi-Fi connections within range. Pick your Wi-Fi connection and enter your password, then hit connect. Now that the AirPulse device has Wi-Fi connectivity, we just need to identify its IP address. There are two possible ways. This is all documented online. Once we have that IP address, we can use that to open the AirPulse control panel. Next, let's provision the device. We'll enter our license ID in the device public ID field. We'll also take our lat long off the map and copy it in here. Then we'll hit save. Then we'll go to the control panel, hit provision, hit the green start button, and we're off and running. Our Discord channel is by far the best way to receive support. We can also be reached via our support email. Visit feedlinelabs.com for more information. We have fully burned in Model 3A Plus, Model 3B Plus Pis. We also have fully burned in micro SD cards available in 16 and 32 gig. Join us in helping to build the live RF intelligence fabric.